In this video, we will learn how to multiply two digits when the digits are below their next space. 29 multiplied by 27. Here the base would be considered 30 because 29 is 1 less than its base. 27 is 3 less than its base 30. Multiply 1 and 3, the product would come 1 into 3 is 3. We can directly write down 3 because in the base 30 there is only one 0. Moving further, now cross subtract these two digits and check whether the results are same or not. 29 minus 3 gives us 26 and 27 minus 1 also gives us 26. Now multiply this 26 with 3 because we have considered the base 30. 26 multiplied by 3 is 78. Write down 78. Our answer is 783. Let's take one more example of below base. 63 into 68. The base we will consider here is of 70. 63 is 7 less than its base 70, write 7. 68 is 2 less than its base 70, write 2. Multiply these two digits, 7 into 2. It will give us 14. But we cannot write down 14 because in the base 70 there is only one 0. So rather than writing 14, we will write 4 and give away the 1 in the feet of 4 because we will have to adjust this one as a carry in the next step. Now cross subtract and check whether the results are same or not. 63 minus 2 gives us 61 and 68 minus 7 also gives us 61. Multiply this 61 with 7, it will give us 427. Write 427. We need to adjust the carry now. Write 4 as it is. This one would be carried over in 7. 1 plus 7, 8. Write 8. Write down 2 as it is and write 4 as it is. Our answer is 4284. One more example. 999 multiplied by 993. Here the base we will consider here is of 1000. 999 is 1 less than its base 1000. 993 is 7 less than its base 1000. The product of these two digits would be 7. But in the case of 1000 there are 3 zeros. So we'll have to balance the number. So rather than writing only 7, we will write 007 because in base 1000 there are 3 zeros, as you can see. So we'll write 007. Moving forward, cross subtract and check. 993 minus 1 gives us 992 and 999 minus 7 also gives us 992. Multiply 992 with 1 because we have considered the base 1000. 992 into 1 gives us 992 only. Write down 992. Our complete answer is 992007. Let's take one more example. 9987 into 9932. The base is 10,000 here. Write down minus 13 because 9987 is 13 less than its base 10,000. Write down 68 because 9932 is 68 less than its base 10,000. Multiply these two digits, it will give us 884. But in the case 10,000, there are 4 zeros. As you can see, there are 4 zeros in the base 10,000 and we cannot write down 884 because we need to prefix 0 before 884 to balance this. So rather than writing 884, we'll prefix 0 before 884 and write 0884. Moving further, cross subtract and check. 9932 minus 13 or 9987 minus 68 would gives us 9919 only. Now multiply 9919 with 1, it will give us 9919 only. So write down directly 9919. Our complete answer is 99190884. If you liked our video, do subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon to get updated with Sago Education.